Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jotform Tables Assign feature. This is a really useful tool that lets you delegate tasks to specific team members within your tables, keeping everyone organized and on track with their responsibilities. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the tables you want to work with. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select My Tables. This section houses all the tables you've created or have access to, making it easy to manage your data in one centralized location. Now browse through your tables and select the specific table you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on View Table to open it up. This will display the full table interface where you can make modifications and add new features. Next, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the Share button. This is where you'll manage who has access to your table and what level of permissions they have. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the email addresses of the team members you want to invite. Type in their emails carefully to ensure they receive the invitation. After entering the email addresses, you'll notice a read-only icon next to each person's name. Click on this icon to adjust their access level. You can choose between read-only, which allows them to view but not edit the table, or collaborator, which grants them full editing rights. Select the option that best fits each team member's role in your project. Now that your collaborators are set up, it's time to add the assignee feature to your table. In your table view, locate any column header and click the plus add icon. This will open a menu with various column types you can add. From the list of options, select assignee, then click Next to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter a column name. Choose something clear and descriptive, like task owner or assigned to, so everyone understands the column's purpose. After typing in the name, click Next to continue. On the following screen, you'll see a list of all your collaborators. Here, you can choose one or more people to assign tasks to. You also have the option to enable features like Notify via email, which automatically alerts assignees when they're given a new task. If you need to assign multiple people to the same task, simply select multiple assignees from the list. Once you've made your selections, click Create Column to finalize the setup, and that's it. You've successfully configured the Jotform Tables Assign feature, allowing you to efficiently delegate tasks and keep your team informed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.